Hi, my name is Abhishek. I work as a data science leader for Brilio Technologies. I was looking out for upskilling myself in the directions of data science primarily. This course gave me not only a horizontal of the contents, it also went to the verticals of it, wherein we dive deep into data science, data engineering, big data systems, artificial intelligence, visualizations. This program provides classes over the weekends. The best part about these classes is they are recorded sessions. So in case you are not able to attend the classes on a Saturday or a Sunday, you can always go back and attend these classes over the weekday or at your leisure. The faculties in this BITS WILP program are pretty knowledgeable. They have the insights. They do understand the vertical depth of the subjects. My personal favorites is Professor Ravi Kumar. He is quite a person who is jack of all trades and master of a lot of them, because he takes classes on mathematics and machine learning and whatnot. Another professor worth mentioning I would say is Dr. Sugata Ghoshal. He had taken deep learning classes for me. My final semester project is Data Center Health Analytics. Now this project primarily revolves around giving the customers or data center administrators, it shows them the future needs of the hardware, the GPU that they would need for their data centers. This kind of holistic understanding of the data science ecosystem also helped me in pursuing the day in day out job which I do. Overall, I would like to say that this course and the journey with BITS has been fantastic so far, and I have seen growth in my career. I have seen me making more sense when I talk to the customers or stakeholders in terms of data science.